You're listening or watching to Marvelous Book, and in this episode, I'm gonna talk about several technical stuff. What is the value of you as a programmer? And my answer is the speed of development, the speed of the speed you are able to produce something of high quality that will reach most users. And too many guys I see over the internet that are producing tutorials, and tutorials are good because a lot of there is a lot of bread in the IT, but in the end, it is becoming very similar to personal development. You can never learn all. You can never learn all the possible technologies like client side, backend, cloud, whatever, desktop, web. Uh, there are endless possibilities, endless platforms, and you cannot learn all. And learning all will you'll be able to land on a job, but it will not make you free from the rat race. And to be able to go out of the rat race, you must create something that reaches a lot of people, and this thing should make you money. This is basic. And one of the things that I found in several weeks is the basic root operation is something that will never work. And one of my tool, Generator App, is about creating a SQL layer, data models, data access layer, and user interface with all kinds of UIs and technologies like Flutter, Google Web Toolkit, JavaScript frontend, IndexedDB, within PHP, and what I found is all these things will work very yes, a lot of the code is data access and visualizing data, but will not work perfectly because the internet is mostly user oriented. Yes, there are several projects like Wikipedia, like my personal site, What You Eat, Kwadesh, that is a little bit generic, not personal oriented to individual users, but most of the big sites are oriented towards some particular user, and also the things that every user sees is many times managed by roles, by configurations, by privacy configurations on each record. Like for example, the option in Facebook that each post you could set to be visible to public, to only to your friends or to some group of your friends. And there are all kinds of projects that are basically that there is some super user like administrator that can see all, and there are different types of users with different type of roles that could see a possibility. And if I continue ever to work to improve my generator app, I'll probably go in this direction, create some basic authorization and authentication, and we will try to map all the other models, all the other data models, like like professions, like technologies, like programming languages, like messages, like friends, images, whatever, to be managed by a core that is the user. I currently am creating a project that is exactly that, user oriented, with rows and with some settings on some records that will be visible only to partial amount of the users. And I have implemented for others in the corporate world probably 2 or 3 such systems that are raw authorization and user managed content. And if I continue work on my generator app, this will be the direction that I'll go. So